Hi and welcome to another Studex video. Today we are going to see how to publish your project locally and then how to manually upload it to the orchestrator. So let's see how to do this. So we are at the UiPath Studio X screen. So to publish this project locally, go and click on the publish button and then you can see the properties. So this is my package name and this is the version. So if you go to the publish options, by default the personal workspace is selected, but let's choose the custom because we want to publish this project at a local folder. So you can see NuGet field URL or the local folder, right? So go and browse where you want to create the feed or the local package. So I have chosen a local folder path. So just choose that particular path. So let's say this is where I want the project to be deployed. So then click on select folder. Then API key, this is completely optional. Then click on the publish option. You can see project published successfully. This is your name and this is the location where it has been published, right? So now click on OK button. And then if you go back to that particular place, if you go open project folder, you would be able to see your project, right? So there you go to the UiPath at the local, and this is where your NuGet package has been created successfully, right? So now to upload this NuGet package to the orchestrator, go back to the orchestrator. So I have logged into the cloud.uipath.com first, and then I have reached out to the orchestrator service. Now into the My Workspace, you can see there are process, jobs, and packages. Go to the packages, and then you can see this particular upload button. Click on this upload button, and you can see you can select or browse the file. So click on the browse. So once you click on browse, you have to give path where your process is. So you can see at the local, this is where our NuGet package is. So click on open, and then it's gonna upload your package here. So this is how you can manually upload your package if you do not want to publish it directly from the UiPath Studio X, or if you think that there is the connection issues between the Studio X and the orchestra, then you can do it manually like this way, right? Now click on the upload button, then you will be able to see your project here in the My Packages and also in the processes screen, right? And let's go back to the assistant, and there you can also see the process has been successfully came up. You can see awaiting install. So if you want to run your process from here, you can install this. So click on install, and then further you can run your project from here. So once it gets installed, so it has been successfully done, then you can click and run it from here. So this is how you can actually publish your local project or from a local path to the orchestrator by uploading the package manually. For that, you first have to create the NuGet package file. So make sure you publish it in the form of NuGet package first at your local place, and then go to the orchestrator and upload it manually. So it has successfully ran. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching.